Welcome to Business Development Academy. Congratulations in taking the first step in transforming your business acumen. We are happy that you really want to start, grow, and expand your business. My name is Dayo Adetiloye. I'm the lead instructor in Business Development Academy. We've packaged this program to ensure that your business starts, grow, and expand with specialized knowledge. We have a lot of the courses that will help you in transforming your business. Our course outline ranges from understanding business creation, branding, sales and marketing, sales closing. We also have employee recruitment and retention, employee management. We also have the pitch deck, business planning, business model canvas, and quite a lot that you are going to learn in this academy. We have 4 sessions of coaching program dedicated to this academy. So every week you have the videos you are going to watch, and by the end of the week we have the coaching section where you have the opportunity to ask me questions bordering your business, questions that could help to clarify some of the things that you have learned in this academy. I want you to know that we have experts that will engage you in terms of giving you feedbacks if you need anything in this academy. Alright, so we expect you to ensure that you watch all the videos because that's how you can improve your knowledge. Knowledge is a universal commodity. Every wise man reach out to wherever they can find it. So the knowledge we are putting together for you, these are things that we have experienced from real life examples. The ones we have experienced ourselves, we are sharing with you to transform your business. So I want you to get ready, get set for this journey of business transformation. Thank you.